Hello friends, welcome to Learners Tube. In this video, I'm going to discuss some objective bits on Indian geography. Before going through this video, please go and watch my previous video on Indian borderlines, which will give you a more information and how to remember the Indian international borders with simple tips. Okay, then you can attempt the following bits easily. In this video, I am going to explain 15 bits. So, I will make the videos in parts. This is the first part, so make sure you follow the other parts also. Let's go for the objective bits. First question, with which of the following countries has India no boundary? So this is a very simple and easy bit. We all know India has a boundary with Nepal, Myanmar and Bhutan. So we don't share any border with Mongolia. The answer is Mongolia. And India shares the border with, from west to east, it is Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. These are the major countries. These are the countries that India shares the international borders. So it does not share any border with the Mongolia. The answer is Mongolia. Next, which of the following pairs is correctly matched? So here, when you observe the options, the left side was boundary lines and the right side is the boundary sharing countries. So the correct matching is first option, Pak Strait. Pak Strait is the boundary between India and Sri Lanka. Durand line is India and Afghanistan. McMahon line is India and China. And Ratcliffe line is India and Pakistan. So the correctly matched is Ratcliffe line. Ratcliffe line is India and Pakistan. India and Afghanistan, it is called Durand line. India and Myanmar, it is India-Myanmar line. India and Nepal, it is Indo-Nepal line. Okay, border line. Okay, so the correct option is D, Ratcliffe line, India and Pakistan. Next, the states of India having common border with Myanmar. So this I have explained a clue to remember the states in my previous video. Go and check and then easily to answer this bit. Actually, Myanmar shares the boundary with Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. These are the countries. So the correct option here is A, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. And you can also answer this question with the help of Tripura. Tripura does not share the border with Myanmar. So you can eliminate all the three options because all three options contain Tripura. So you can eliminate all the three options and the correct option will become A. Next question, which one of the following countries has the longest international boundary with India? We all know this answer is Bangladesh. It shares the longest boundary and the total length is 4096 kilometers. When it comes to shortest international boundary, it is Afghanistan and it is around 100 kilometers. Okay, it is around 100 kilometers. So answer is here is Bangladesh as it is longest international border. When you ask for smallest international border, it is shortest, it is Afghanistan. Okay, next, the states which have common border with China. With China, which states may share the common border? Actually, it is Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir and Sikkim. These are the countries which share the border with China. So based on the option here, Uttarakhand didn't mention. So Jammu Kashmir, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. All the four states share border with the China. The correct option is D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next, Bhutan is surrounded by which of the following Indian states? So this also I have explained the clue. So the states which share border with Bhutan are Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Assam, West Bengal. Okay, these are the states. So option here becomes A, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal and Sikkim. Next, which state of India have a common border with Pakistan? Common border with Pakistan. Generally it is from west to east, it is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, right? So here the option here is D because it does not share any border with the Himachal Pradesh. It shares the border with Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Okay, the option here is D. Next bit, McMahon line demarcates the boundary between, we all know McMahon line shares the boundary between India and China. India-China border line is called McMahon line. So answer is B. Next, which of the following Indian states does not lie on Indo-Bangla border? Indo-Bangla border. So Bangladesh states share the states with Mizoram, Meghalaya, West Bengal, Assam, and Tripura. These are the states with which Bangladesh shares the boundary. The answer is Manipur, as it does not share any boundary. Okay, so option D. Next, which one of the following group of Indian states has a common frontier with Bhutan? With Bhutan, which are the common frontiers? I already explained, it is Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Assam, and West Bengal. So the option here is D. Okay, D. So why I am keeping the similar bits means you don't have to confuse the states with the countries, okay, with which they are sharing the boundary. That's why I made a clue in my previous video. Watch that and remember that clue, then you can easily answer these bits. Next question, which one of the following state does not form border with Bangladesh? Which one? Based on the clue, it is Manipur. C. Because Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram all shares the border with Bangladesh. So our correct option is C. West Bengal shares boundary with how many foreign countries? West Bengal totally shares boundary with 3 foreign countries. Those are Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh you are very familiar, but Nepal, Bhutan, how does it share means, as you observe the shape of West Bengal, I don't know particularly the shape, but I can manage. Like this, it will be somewhat, it looks like somewhat sharp, right? At this sharp, it touches Bhutan and Nepal. Okay, totally 3 countries. So which one of the following Indian states have international border with Bangladesh? With Bangladesh, which of the following states? Though West Bengal is correct, Tripura is correct, Assam is correct. So correct option is all of the above. So please watch the clue. Don't confuse and don't feel it is difficult. Based on the clue, it will be easy. Next question. Which one of the following states share boundary with maximum number of other states of India? That means within the India, the state with have maximum boundaries with other states. It is actually, the answer is Uttar Pradesh, friends, because it shares majorly 9 state borders. Okay, Uttar Pradesh shares maximum and it is 9. And then next is Assam and Chhattisgarh. Assam and Chhattisgarh shares 7 states, and the minimum it shares only 1 state is Sikkim. Sikkim shares only with 1 state. Okay, so this actual answer is Uttar Pradesh 9, but according to the options we have to go for. So according to the options, Madhya Pradesh share 5 states, Maharashtra shares 6 states, Assam 7, Bihar it is 3. So based on the option, the largest is 7, so option is Assam. Okay, so the last bit, Duncan Passes is located between actually South Andaman and Little Andaman. Duncan Passes is located in the Indian Ocean, and the total length of the Duncan Passes is 48 kilometers, and it is in between, it divides South Andaman with Little Andaman. So the correct option is A, South and Little Andaman. Okay, so with this I completed 15 bits in this video. In the next part I will continue with these bits and I will collect some more bits on Indian geography. So for this, if you like my explanation, please like and share this video, and also for more topics like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, friends.